syphilis. I gave it to him.
My country people things they all call from play na so gist they fly up and down. Ashmusy and her friends did this we listen, we don't judge game. Now so everybody just they confess to though it's a game, but this one is far. Seriously, it's far. Make we play the video, make yourself listen to waiting them talk. If you not listen to this video to the very end, believe me, you'll be shocked to what they said. Even though Miraj talk say she carry belle for Ashmusy's brother and dad. That means one thing, my people. Make her play the video, make yourself watch.
Dad had gonorrhea and syphilis. I gave it to him. We listen. We don't judge.
Okay, so guys, remember the time I cooked jollof rice for you?
Yeah,
There was no water, so I used my urine. No, it wasn't that yellow, it was white, so I used it. We listen. We don't judge.
Guys, we call her young has been acting weird for the past 3 years. Now me they do one. Listen.
Listen, we don't judge.
So Ash, the time you invited me for a sleepover at your place, I snuck into your dad's room and had sex with him. And then I was not also satisfied, so I went for your junior brother. And I'm currently carrying your junior brother's child.
We judge.
We listen.
We judge.
These people get her play this kind game. My people waiting on that thing.